The ASUS ROG Ally X is set to redefine handheld gaming with its impressive specifications and features. Designed for gamers who seek high performance on the go, this device integrates powerful hardware into a compact form factor. The ROG Ally X boasts a cutting-edge AMD Ryzen Z1 Extreme processor, paired with AMD RDNA 3 graphics, delivering top-tier gaming performance and smooth visuals. With up to 16 gigabytes of LPDDR5 RAM, multitasking and running demanding games is seamless. The device also features a 7-inch Full HD IPS touchscreen display with a high refresh rate, ensuring fluid graphics and responsive controls. In terms of storage, the ROG Ally X offers ample space with up to 1 TB SSD options, allowing gamers to store a large library of games and media. Its design includes ergonomic controls and customizable back buttons for enhanced gameplay comfort. Additionally, advanced cooling solutions are incorporated to maintain performance without overheating. Overall, the ASUS ROG Ally X represents a major leap in portable gaming, combining powerful hardware and advanced features into a handheld device. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a leap forward. Let's break down what makes this device a game changer. The ASUS ROG Ally X features a 5.5-inch OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, offering an exceptional visual experience. The OLED technology ensures vibrant colors, deep blacks, and high contrast, making every detail in games and media stand out. The 120Hz refresh rate contributes to ultra-smooth motion, enhancing gameplay and reducing motion blur for a cinema-like experience in a handheld device. Underneath its sleek exterior, the ROG Ally X is powered by the AMD Z1 Extreme processor, a high-performance chip designed to tackle even the most demanding games effortlessly. This processor is complemented by 16 gigabytes of LPDDR5 RAM, which provides ample memory for smooth multitasking and rapid game load times. This combination of advanced hardware delivers gaming performance that competes with high-end desktop sets, offering a powerful and immersive gaming experience in a portable form factor. Storage, no worries. The Ally X comes with a speedy 512 gigabytes NVMe SSD, ensuring lightning-fast load times. Need more space? The microSD card slot has you covered. The ASUS ROG Ally X excels in connectivity with its dual USB-C ports, enhancing versatility and functionality. One of these ports supports Thunderbolt 4, offering exceptionally high data transfer speeds and broad compatibility. Thunderbolt 4 allows you to connect external displays, enabling a larger or multi-screen setup for an immersive gaming experience or productivity tasks. It also supports docking stations, which can expand the device's connectivity options, such as additional USB ports, Ethernet, and HDMI. The second USB-C port provides additional flexibility, allowing you to connect various peripherals like external storage, keyboards, or mice. Both ports facilitate fast charging, ensuring minimal downtime during extended gaming sessions. This robust connectivity ensures that the ROG Ally X can seamlessly integrate into a broader gaming ecosystem, providing the convenience of connecting to a range of devices and accessories, thus enhancing its overall usability and functionality. Now, let's talk price. Starting at $699, the Ally X is positioned as a premium handheld. But is it worth it? We believe so. The combination of performance, display, and features puts it in a league of its own. Imagine being able to play your favorite AAA titles anywhere. The Ally X turns that dream into reality. Whether you're commuting, traveling, or simply relaxing at home, this device is your ticket to endless gaming adventures. The ASUS ROG Ally X is setting new standards in handheld gaming with its cutting-edge features. Its 5.5-inch OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate delivers vivid colors and ultra-smooth motion, creating a cinematic gaming experience in a compact form. Powered by the formidable AMD Z1 Extreme processor and equipped with 16 gigabytes of LPDDR5 RAM, it provides desktop-level performance and responsiveness. Connectivity options are robust with 2 USB-C ports, including Thunderbolt 4, allowing for high-speed data transfer, external display connections, and docking possibilities. This makes the Ally X highly versatile, supporting various gaming peripherals and expanding its functionality. For serious gamers seeking top-tier portable gaming, the ROG Ally X is an exceptional choice. It combines advanced hardware and impressive display technology into a handheld device that competes with high-end gaming rigs. Don't miss out! Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for the latest tech insights. Ready to experience the future of gaming? Check out the link in the description below to join the Ally X revolution. Thanks for watching.